I have a battery cable lug crimper by HKS. Now here is one of the crimpers themselves. Here's kind of a side-by-side comparison to my hand here. It's pretty long, but it's relative to like this crimper here, it's actually pretty tiny, as you can see. This one is a lot heavier. It's very stiff, as you can see. I kind of do have to put some effort into it, but that's all good because it just holds things in place a lot easier. Very sturdy, very stable, and it is top heavy, so most of the weight is centered towards the top here. Here's kind of a closer look at it. All right, and then the handles here have this kind of plastic film over it. It's pretty porous, so if you have sweat or any sort of moisture on your hands, you should be able to hold it pretty well, especially with these finger grooves here, and without worrying about it slipping too much. And then here we have these several attachment pieces here. Lovely. Here is kind of a look at one side-by-side comparison to my finger here. That's the largest one, and then here is the smallest one. Moreover, we also have these rubber covers here. Black and red. They are in each individual packets here, but when I take out one, I can open it pretty easily and slip it on. All right. This was given to us as a sample. Bye.